Test, test, test. Let me know how we sound. Let me know how we sounding. Test, test, test. Oh. But like, it's like as soon as it be doing that with my Zoom meeting sometimes. As soon as I do, I got here now. My thing's still bugging out. So y'all can literally hear like my internet shit is bugging right now. I don't know what's going on. But let me see if I can fix the mic. All right, test, test, test. Let's see if that's better. Let's see if that's better. Let's see if that's better. Okay, we're sounding better. All right, we got a couple settings we're looking at, y'all. We do have some news popping off later on today. We have FOMC popping off, and then later on tonight, we got some New Zealand and Australian news, which is what we really do need. The GDP news last night didn't do anything too crazy, but we do need some news to help bring volume to the markets because, again, prices just been raining a lot of times. Like, again, NAS did a decent move, but as you can see, like, it just ranged here, then rejected, did a repeat of what it did up here, and you can see last night just consolidated. Just set up, though. My mic's still bugging out. I'm gonna try to fix it. If my internet is bugging, we just might just have to cancel the stream for today. Right, let's see if this is a little bit better. Okay, we're sounding good right now. All right, so like we was just talking about, a lot of charts just been consolidating low volume or just rejecting lows and reversing, right? So yesterday, what GJ was looking at possible sell, failed to hold this level as resistance, so it pushed back up. And as you can see here, when it broke this level, it failed to hold as support, rejected, pushed back up, but the retest again failed to hold, start treating as resistance again. But then you see price again, it's just been bouncing in this range. So now we're about to see if it can hold this level as support. If GJ can't hold 187.05 as support, we can look for buys going to 188, possibly 188.90. The reason why we're looking for buys right here is because, again, we was in a downtrend, but we can see price rejecting this level like we've been talking about for the past couple of weeks. And then we also see that we're starting to treat these resistance levels as now support levels, right? So if we can break through this gap point right here, you can see the uptrend come into play and the downtrend no longer be active. That's what we're looking at right here. Then we're also looking at possible GU buys. Again, we was looking for buys here, but we see price rejected this level and then reverse, failed to hold this level as support, consolidated, but didn't break this level to start the downtrend. So now we're right back to where we left off yesterday. So again, a lot of these charts have just been low volume or just really been consolidating. Now, there was one chart that did a decent move yesterday, and that was GA. Nice little dump here. And now we're about to see if we can look for another sell setup here. If GA can't hold 94.80 as resistance, we can look for sales going to 94.45, possibly down to 93. 90, well, not 93, 90, 93, 95. U15 just popped up. You guys got any questions? Charge up in the chat. Make sure to hit that like button on the stream and subscribe. Just dropped the Bitcoin weekly analysis yesterday for y'all. My thing's still kind of bugging out. If y'all can't hear me good, let me know. Like I was saying, really, I started having technical difficulties. I only had to restart my Wi-Fi twice, restart my computer, which is weird because literally, like, my shit was working fine, but I guess maybe it's a little bit more juicy interview. New 5 minute about to pop up. Yeah, I like how this is looking. Just watch and see if it's going to show, if it's going to try to break through this. Again, we do got some news popping up later on today. We got FOMC popping off. Going to be going live with the members during that later on today. Also looking at GJ for possible buys. Waiting for our confirmations. We also see possible buys on GU as well. Because we are bullish right here, and we can see that again we had a reversal last week into the downtrend. We got a nice sell, and then we went for a second sell, which is when the reversal back up came into play. And then we go into the bigger time frame. We can see that we are in the uptrend, but we're just struggling to break this level. Right? Each time we came to these price points, we struggle to hold these levels as support. Here, we failed to hold this level as support. You see here, we failed to hold the level of support, and then yesterday we also failed and rejected holding that level as support. So we can look for buys here. The price is going to need to not only break the whole 32.25 as support for the uptrend to continue. So that's what I'm looking for today. And then GJ holds 187.05, especially breaks past 188.90. We can see the uptrend come back into play. Because it's not a similar thing with GJ, but instead of an uptrend, it's a downtrend, right? You look right here. Well, let's zoom out a little bit. We had this downtrend, right? The price reject this low, pull this low as resistance to continue the downtrend. Then we had price come back down, and we can literally see here that each time price is broken this low but failed to hold it as resistance. Now we have a reversal coming into play possibly. Right? It's the same exact thing with GU, except it being the uptrend with GU and it being a downtrend with GJ. New 5-minute just popped up. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we looking at these charts, drop in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. We're going to see how these candlesticks close. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered anything yet. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we're getting charged, drop in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now, and also waiting for volume to kick in. The volume's been kind of low all this week so far. About to see if GU and GJ can hold these low support. Right now, they're on them, but they're not really holding them as support yet. So that's what we're going to be waiting to see if we can do. Now, GA is holding this low as resistance. So we're about to see how this candlestick closes and how the next 15 pops up. Oops. New 15 popped up. Now, most, not all FOMC days, price kind of just ranges up until the news event. Now, there has been a few weeks where that hasn't been the case, but a lot of FOMC news event days, price, if it doesn't really do anything at the beginning of New York, just consolidates and ranges until the news pops off. But I mean, we can look at GN, man. We took a buy on GN earlier this week. We had TP2 get hit yesterday, and after that, I just rejected it. We can see here that literally it's just been consolidating and stuck at this point since August. You know what I mean? So like literally like a whole month price is just here. So again, it would be nice for the FOMC. Again, I don't really care which direction price goes. I just need a clean trend with some volume. That way, when we take positions, it's smooth sailing. You know what I'm saying? So right now, the three charts we're looking at, they're just chilling at these levels right now.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO. Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbit Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. 3, 2, 1, 0, Discovery, go and throttle up. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.